Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to verify your account on TradeNation. After the registration part, you will enter the verification section, where you select your citizenship chip. If you are a US citizen, you choose this option, and then click on Continue. In the next step, you select your country of residence and the type of document for verification. If you prefer, you can continue these steps using your smartphone by clicking on this option, or you can use your computer by clicking on Continue. In the next step, you upload a photo of the front and back of your ID card, and finally you click on Continue. In the next section, you upload a selfie using your system, click on Continue. And after taking the selfie, your documents will be under review. And after your identity verification is completed, you will have access to your account, and your account will be created. Good luck!